I'm at 7407 Elton Avenue. It's the Detroit Shoreway neighborhood. It's a two-family. Pretty fresh as far as the interior goes here. So ready to rent, both units. They're currently vacant. So some flexibility with this floor plan. This definitely could be a living room. And then this could be a dining room. We've got a bedroom here. And there is a closet back here. And then off of what I'm calling the dining room, it's another bedroom. And it also has a closet. So we've got this enclosed porch up here, which is a very nice room. You know, this could be a living room, this could be a bedroom, but you know, lots of nice light in here. We got new carpet, but yeah, this is a very nice room. So then as we head back, we've got the kitchen. And actually it's got some decent counter space, lots of cabinets, appliances. It's got this new window. And got the bathroom back here. And let's head down to the basement. This has a pretty nice basement, I have to say. So it's got the clay block. Definitely not original. It was definitely added at some point because houses this age wouldn't have a clay block basement. But we got our hot water tanks, and we got these furnaces. They look brand spanking new to me. I don't have a confirmation on that. Getting a little bit of water in here on the floor. Got laundry down here. Both units have access to the basement. We got the electrical panel. Got some new Romex. Looks like a mix of wiring. And we're gonna head back up. And we are gonna head to the upstairs unit, check out the back. So, okay, so there's a door here. That goes to the outside so the upstairs tenant could get in there. And this is a locked door for the downstairs unit. So again, we've got the dining area, bedroom, living area, and then, you know, whatever you want to call this sunroom up here, which I think is, like I said, very nice room. Hopefully I don't get rained on. It's kind of rainy today. It's actually got kind of a nice wide lot here. Doing some work next door, cleaning out a garage, but got a nice yard here. Now back here is an alley, and so you could have parking off this alley. So alley access, and then, you know, you could have parking here, build a garage if you wanted. So that brown door is the door to the basement, and then we're gonna go here and go upstairs. We're gonna enter into the kitchen. It's a small kitchen, but it's a one-bedroom unit, so I think it's plenty of space. Pretty nice, actually. Tile backsplash, which is great. This is really a cute apartment. We've got the tile shower, nice big bathroom. It's got a nice toilet, brand new carpet. So this would be the living area. And it has a closet. And then we've got the bedroom. Which again, nice sized bedroom. It's got its own closet. And that's all I got. So we are on Elton Avenue by West 73rd, in between Lorain and Madison, very close to Gordon Square Arts District, close to Ohio City. Just down the street is the rapid transit, so there's a train access to downtown airport, University Circle. So, good public transportation here, and it's actually a really nice house.